Welcome! If you're tired of constant pop-ups from Discord while you're browsing or working, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to disable desktop notifications on Discord web using the latest update, so you can enjoy a distraction-free experience on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon right next to your username. This is the user settings button. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the settings menu, take a look at the options on the left sidebar. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to open up all your notification preferences. Here's where you can take control. Look for the option that says Enable Desktop Notifications. If this option is switched on, you'll keep getting those pop-up alerts on your desktop every time there's a new message or activity in your servers. To stop these notifications, simply toggle this option off. Once you do, Discord will stop sending desktop notifications while you're using the web version. That's it. You've just disabled desktop notifications on Discord web. No more interruptions while you're working, studying, or just browsing online. If you ever want to turn them back on, just repeat these steps and toggle the switch back to enable notifications. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Have a great day and enjoy your quieter, more focused Discord experience.